Hi, welcome to the Craft House by April. I am just going to do a very short painting for you today. I'm going to be working on a painting that I'm going to do for the nursing home tomorrow. And they use this size, which is a 7x7. And it's something they can hang up in their room or put on a shelf, or sometimes they display them like an art display. Or if at home you want to put it on a shelf, like a bookshelf or the mantle. But you can do this for spring decoration. So we're just going to do a little bunny today, and I'm kind of doing this by the fly. So I think I can make a cute little bunny, and we'll see what he looks like. So please join me, and we'll make our bunnies together. So I decided to use this gray because I already had pre-painted a bunch of these from the last party I done. So we're going to work off of this gray. And the first thing I'm going to do is take some of my Ocean Breeze. That's one of my favorite spring colors. Oh, this is Spearmint. Ocean Breeze. I use this one a lot. It seems to be a favorite. So I'm just going to get a little bit of the blue. And I just want to lighten and brighten this up just a little bit. I'm just going to lightly apply. I don't want it perfect. Add a little bit of white in there. I'm just testing this out. Okay, so I've just lightened it up a bit. Okay, we'll go with this and we'll see where it takes us. All right, so my next step will be, I'm gonna let this dry and I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually want this to look a little more distressed. So I went ahead and blow dried it to get it dry. And then I'm going to be sanding it with the sanding block. And you have to make sure it's dried all the way. Okay. I think that's pretty good. And then wipe it off. Okay, you can see it's a little more distressed. I could probably take it a little more, but I'm good with it. So I got this sort of round tipped brush, okay? And I'm going to start by making the bunny's booty, its little butt, over here. I'm going to make it white. This will probably need 2 layers. And then I'm going to put his little head. and his ears. I'm going to put one here and one here. Okay, so there he is. All right, I'm gonna start with that. It's gonna need another layer. Okay, this is dry enough for a second layer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Jeremy's calling me. I don't know if you can hear that vibration. Okay, I'm not exactly sure what happened, but my videotape could stop again. So I'm gonna add some tan into my bunny. And I don't need a whole lot. Oh, it's clogged. This is called linen. Okay, I'm just gonna put a dab on my brush and kind of go around the outsides of it. Okay. The head too. And then I'm gonna do inside the ear. Just that simple. Okay, cute. Okay, and I'm gonna add, I haven't decided if I'm gonna add it. Well, obviously this is its backside. So never mind, I'm not gonna add a face. So I need to figure something out for the tail. So I picked a good palette for Easter or spring. Coral Reef, Candy Pink, Mustard Yellow, Kiwi, and Robin's Egg Blue. So these are the colors I have here. And I'm just going to make a banner pendant in the corner here. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with the grass yet or the tail, but I figure we go ahead and get started on that part. And I'm going to find a very skinny brush. This is one of my favorites, so. Okay. I'm gonna start by using the tan to make my burlap twine rope that's gonna hang. Okay. So I'm gonna start with my hot pink color and make a little triangle pennant. Okay. Then I'm going to get into my mustard. Okay. I'm going to go into my green, kiwi green. All right. We will go into the coral. It's coming along. I don't know how the robin's egg blue is going to look on top of the turquoise, but I'm going to do it anyway. I think it'll be all right. And then I'm going to end it with another bright pink. Candy pink. Okay. So that is the bunny and the pendant so far. It's turning out to be cute. All right, I'm gonna go think about what else we can do to the bottom and the tail, and we'll be done. So I noticed while I was waiting that I actually started my bunny face forward. So I still want him backwards, so I'm just gonna fix the ears. But that's what you would do if you wanted him facing forward. I am going to give a little more highlighting still. Okay, so that's the back of him. And then I'm going to put a little foot out here and his tail over here. Okay. And there's his bushy little tail. I'm going to put in some of the brown to give it some dimension. His little cottontail. All right, so there's the bunny and his little cottontail and the pennant, his little foot. All right, and I am going to add a little bit of green down here. Actually, I think I'm gonna get me some olive green to go with the kiwi. Take the olive color and just kind of make a straight line but bow out a little on each side, like that. And I'm just gonna do that a couple times. All right, just a little bit of grass. There we go. And I'm just going to add a little bit of kiwi in with it. There we go. All right. So tell me what you think. Do you like him? Do you like your little bunny? I'm still debating whether or not I liked it before the grass came, but I think it's cute. For the nursing home anyway. Like, I don't know if I would like it with the grass. I would probably like just the silhouette bunny, but this is not for me. This is for my residents over at the nursing home, and the more I can get them to paint, the better. So it is best to have more details to their painting as minimally as possible. So they do a great job over there, and I'm excited, and I can't wait for you guys to see their wonderful paintings that they do. And you know what, by the time I get there, if all we end up doing is the bunny and the pendant, because sometimes that's all they can handle, we may not even get to the grass, but it's a nice option to have. So I hope you like it. If you think of anything else we could have added to the painting, let me know, and I could incorporate that in the next time. Okay, so I couldn't resist. I added a couple more little details, and I'm so glad I did. So there you go, guys. Now I'm happier. I'm a little happier with it. Got the cute little eggs to match the pendant. Super duper cute. We'll see how well they do on it tomorrow. So when I'm done with this, this will end up either on my mom's counter or my aunt or somebody. I usually end up donating my little holiday paintings so they can decorate with them. So I guess I could use them for myself, but honestly, I have so many, I don't need them all. So you're welcome, guys. Actually, what I've decided to do is, if you really like this little painting, I'm going to give it away. So if you like, comment, and share this video to your Facebook page, you'll be in a drawing to win this painting, and I will ship it out for free. So hopefully you guys will love it and actually want it. I'm going to be doing that with a lot of my paintings. So keep an eye out for that. And then you can all have a little piece of me in your home. Okay, seriously, bye. I'll talk to you next time.